Happy morning everyone. I am Nafisa from Math Department of Vidyanjali Academy for Learning. I am here to present our action research on the topic Multiply with Mastery, Strengthening HCF and LCM through Multiplication Tables. As we all know, math is a fundamental subject. If it has to be embraced happily by all the students alike, then it requires strong foundational skills. Among many mathematical concepts, HCF and LCM are essential in understanding number relationships, fractions, and real-world applications. Whenever we introduce this concept in grade 4, they find it stressful when facing an HCF or LCM based question, as they were struggling with recalling the multiplication statements from the tables. Then we started questioning ourselves, will mastering the multiplication table will ease this? Thus, we ended up having an objective to design a training module to strengthen the retention of multiplication tables and to execute a training module to enhance the problem-solving skills of HCF and LCM. We conducted this session in 4 weeks. While doing this, our idea was it should not become another task for the students. It should be in a fun and interactive way. In first week, we focused only on helping students memorize tables. We conducted different activities with and without paper to help them memorize effortlessly. Chanting tables was an everyday routine. Then we gave some tips and tricks to recognize the patterns in the tables. Students prepared charts with color-coded tables. Apart from this, speed rounds and chit game were also conducted. In chit game, the multiples of different numbers are written on the individual chits and mixed together. Students must pick, identify and arrange them in order. The group which arranges the maximum number of multiplication tables within the given time wins the game. In week 2, the focus was on dodging the multiplication tables. Here, the multiplication statements were shuffled to enhance the students' ability to recollect the multiplication statements quickly. To reinforce this, we conducted engaging activities like rapid fire, flashcards, relay quiz, and find the factors challenge. As the students start factorizing, this is when they start having a question why certain numbers we are not able to factorize. This is a perfect opportunity to introduce them to the concept of prime and composite numbers. To enhance this understanding, we used a special tool called Sieve of Eratosthenes. It is a number grid with numbers from 1 to 100 arranged in rows and columns. Students should cross out the multiples of each prime number one by one. The numbers which remain uncrossed are the prime numbers. In week 3 and 4, we started introducing the concept of HCF and LCM gradually, one concept per day. Sieve of Eratosthenes was emphasized once again. Students were helped to create factor trees. They learned how to find the HCF by identifying the common prime factors. They learned how to calculate the LCM by taking the highest power of each prime factors. From this action research, we conclude that reinforcing multiplication tables significantly enhanced students' understanding of HCF and LCM. Sieve of Eratosthenes proved to be an effective strategy to identify the prime numbers. Overall, the structured stepwise sessions improved the memory retention and conceptual clarity among the students. For this action research, we selected 5 students based on the pre-test, and from the post-test results, we got to know that 60% students showed significant improvement and 40% students showed moderate improvement. Every step we take today to strengthen our teaching lays the foundation for better tomorrow. Thank you.